Hello again. This is my first attempt at making a tutorial. I'm going to make, or try and show you how to make a folded origami envelope. It's like this. This one is made from book paper. And that tucks in there. This one's from music paper. Right, I've already attempted to make this video once already, but the tablet cut out on me yet again. I don't know why, it's beyond me. Anyway, so we have a square of paper. I'm going to fold it, the corner into the middle, like that. We want to try and create these parallel lines here and here. And we fold it again over there like that. Then the trickier bit is to bring it into thirds. Before we press it down, we need to pay attention to these two bits here, that they're equal. Right, just going to bring it towards me to check because I'm at an odd angle. Yeah, I think that's okay. Just check down there. They're straight. It's awkward, funny working at this angle. Okay, so I'm going to go with that. I'm going to flatten that there, and on that side. There we go. It's pretty much equal both sides. Now the next thing to do is to fold it over there. I'm just going to check the camera in a moment to make sure it's not cut out, and turn towards me. Oh, it is longer on that side, can you see, than it is on that side. So that's just something to watch out for. I think because I've got the doing it at an odd angle to usual, it's probably one of the reasons. Plus I don't always get them right. Okay, now with that folded down, that point there, I'm going to put my fingernail there and bend the paper. See there, back on itself. Actually, it's really obvious now I look at it. Never mind. Now, this piece of paper is going to open, a bit like a beak of a bird. So it's easiest if you poke something in there. You could use the point of your scissors. And before I got this bone folder, I was using the handle of my scissors to fold things. There, I'm just going to check we're still going. Yes, we're still going. Right, it's going to cut out, and then that fits into here. Now this is my second one. I already showed you one on camera, and I just got to the end of doing this one when it cut out, but I didn't discover that until I'd started this one. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. If you need me to do that again, I will. And thank you for watching. Bye.